everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are making a healthy, nutritious and wholesome khichdi. Now this is made with dalia or broken wheat and it's going to be very nutritious because we're adding a lot of vegetables to it. It's very tasty. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken half cup of dalia. This is a 125 ml cup measurement. And to this I'm going to add half cup of moong dal. So I've taken this in 1:1 ratio. Wash the dalia and the dal together. Pour enough water and soak it for about 30 minutes. We're going to make the khichdi in the pressure cooker. To the cooker I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the ghee melts, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Lightly roast the cumin seeds. Next I'm adding 1 large piece of ginger finely chopped, about 4 large cloves of garlic finely chopped. Give it a quick mix. Keep the flame on low. Now add 1 large onion finely chopped. Along with this, add 2 green chilies chopped and a few fresh curry leaves. Saute the onions for just about a minute. After a minute, add 1/4 teaspoon of accelerator powder. Give it a quick mix. Now I'm going to start adding all the vegetables. Starting with a cup of chopped beans, add a cup of chopped carrots, a cup of fresh green peas and 1 large tomato finely chopped. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Just mix everything well. So you can see all the spice powders just coat the vegetables beautifully. This is a very simple and wholesome khichdi, super healthy and extremely delicious. Now add the soaked dalia and the moong dal. Gently mix everything well. So you can see I've mixed everything well. Wow, just look at that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So now we're going to add the water. So the ratio for this is 1:3. Keep the flame on low and add 3 cups of water. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. So I have added 3 cups of water, mix everything well. We're going to cook this on medium flame. You can check for seasoning. If you do need to add a bit of salt, you can add it at this point. Once the water begins to boil, close the cooker, place the weight and cook on medium flame for about 5 whistles. Now we all have that one special comfort meal that makes us feel good at the end of the day. What is your go-to comfort meal on a busy day? Let me know in the comment section. So you can see the khichdi looks absolutely gorgeous. It's so colorful and it's cooked beautifully with all those nice wholesome vegetables. You can enjoy this beautiful, wholesome and delicious khichdi nice and hot. Well, you can enjoy this delicious dalia khichdi as is, or you can have it with some nice curd and pickle by the side. I have made other healthy khichdi recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out. Well, khichdi is definitely one of my favorite comfort meals and I can't wait to try it. I love that beautiful gooey texture and look at that wholesome vegetables. Oh my god, it's just so tasty. The flavors are just fabulous. Perfect texture and of course with all those vegetables, the dal and of course the dalia. Excellent. One bowl of this will definitely keep me happy. This khichdi is packed with nutrition, it's super easy to make and absolutely tasty. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.